Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the largest contractor in the world coming to Jamaica. And this is a Chinese contractor. They are China State Construction Engineering Corporation, or CSCEC. Now, Jamaica has more developments than they have contractors to build them. So what's happening is on the government side now, let's say the government has a budget of 250 billion for capital expenditure projects. You find that even though the money is there and the money has been allocated to the project, they don't have the contractors to work on all the projects. They don't have the laborers to work with the contractors or the workmen. And so you find out that 250 billion, probably only 150 billion is used. So Jamaica needs more contractors. And the success that some foreign contractors have in Jamaica, it's attracting some of the largest contractors in the world. Now, Jamaica works well with these Chinese contractors. China Harbour Engineering Company has literally built Jamaica. All the major highways you see, China Harbour Engineering Company. But now Jamaica is facing an unprecedented problem. Western Jamaica has been devastated by Hurricane Melissa. Jamaica needs homes on a level never seen before. Areas like White House, Petersfield, entire neighborhoods, entire towns, districts devastated, houses destroyed because of Hurricane Melissa. As we said before, China Harbour Engineering Company does an excellent job in Jamaica, but they mostly build highways and that kind of infrastructure. CSCEC, they build homes, they build schools, they do more of, how would you say, they do more hospitals, schools, that kind of work. So we are going to give you an update on CSCEC. China State Construction Engineering Corporation is the largest construction company in the world, known for building mega highways, airports, housing schemes, hospitals, and entire urban districts across multiple continents. You see, that's what Jamaica needs. Urban districts. We need to rebuild towns. What makes CSCEC different is its scale and speed. The company delivers large projects under one system: design, engineering, construction, and project management, allowing complex developments to be completed faster and at lower per unit cost. Mega developments. These people can build towns. They can build back an entire district. They could rebuild Black River. They could rebuild White House. For Jamaica, this capacity could be transformative. CSCEC could support mass housing programs, helping reduce housing shortages through modern, high-volume construction. Its expertise in roads, bridges, ports, and airports could also strengthen transport infrastructure critical to tourism and trade. CSCEC has experience working with local labor and subcontractors, which can create jobs and transfer skills when projects are structured properly. It also often partners with international financiers, making large projects more feasible for developing economies. Used strategically and transformatively, CSCEC could help Jamaica close major infrastructure gaps and accelerate national development while building local capacity for the future. Now, this company works with all the major financing entities in the world. So it's a perfect fit for Jamaica. And the level of devastation, local contractors cannot manage it. We work as subcontractors under the Chinese contractors to get the job done. Maybe one day our local contractors could build on that level, but right now we need Chinese contractors, these mega contractors, the largest contractors in the world to get the job done because it's literally a race against time. The hurricane hit, when was it? The end of October. It's now Christmas and people are without homes and roofs. And as we said earlier, money is not really an issue. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.